Miele Professional, ringing in a new era in tumble drying. The first heavy-duty heat pump dryer with short commercial cycles. And, best of all, this product dispenses with vent ducting and saves up to 60% electricity. On conventional dryers, vent ducting frequently requires costly installation work. Miele's heat pump dryer does not require any ducting at all. This is a particular benefit in low-energy housing. Energy losses to atmosphere are minimized. The heat pump is located at the rear of the dryer and connected to the machine. Process air is passed through the heat pump, where it is cooled down in a first heat exchanger to condense out moisture. In the second heat exchanger, the air is reheated before entering the drum once again. Thanks to thorough dehumidification, process air temperatures can be lower. This guarantees top-class, gentle fabric care. The closed air circuit obviates the need for vent ducting. Condensate is collected and drained off through a floor drain. The heat pump dryer is so efficient that it cuts electricity costs by 60% compared with conventional electrically heated dryers. Its low-rated load makes the heat pump dryer extremely flexible, yet still able to process 10 kilograms of laundry in only 44 minutes. Maintenance is simple. Thanks to Miele's StreamClean counterflow system, the heat pump dryer does not require any additional filters. Any lint adhering to the heat exchanger is automatically flushed out by the condensate. Manual cleaning is only occasionally required, and where this is the case, is simple. Cleaning can be done using a water hose. This ensures that performance remains as on the day of purchase. The first commercial heat pump dryer from Miele saves up to 60% electricity, does not require vent ducting, and achieves extremely short cycle times.